Noah would say I've technically hit my video limit for the day, but look, this is the machine where I just got Mike some cheese, and Noah mistakenly got goat's milk. He wanted cow's milk, but they have goat's milk. It's actually by a farmhouse where it's made and distributed. But the reason I'm taking the video, there's chickens over here. I have not had any chickens so far on this vacation. Look at these awesome looking chickens.
How would you feel if you're a Swiss chicken?
Rooster or whatever. I think they got it pretty good. Look at this. Chickens. Farmland, paragliders sometimes land there. You can see mountains with glaciers on the top. Right there. We were up there the other day. Glaciers. Well, look at this chicken taking a nap. Don't you wish you could be that chicken, Noah?
No.
We're eating into your napping time, son. I mean, it being napping time on a scheduled day. Wow, look at that waterfall. Is that not amazing? Truly the land of the elfin. It's said that Tolkien got his inspiration from hiking in the lands of the Jungfrau in Lauterbrunnen Valley in Grindelwald.